What separates the wealthy from the rest? What are their wealth secrets? Today, we're going to dive deep into the realm of wealth creation. By the end of this video, you will have an idea of how to become rich from zero. We will reveal 11 wealth secrets that can boost your wealth journey. I need you to be focused because these strategies are life-changing. These aren't quick fixes or easy shortcuts. They're time-tested strategies that require dedication, perseverance, and a little bit of audacity. Secret number 1, develop a strong work ethic. The cornerstone of wealth creation lies in the strength of your work ethic. It is more than just working hard. It's about discipline, dedication, and most importantly, consistency. Picture this. Successful individuals like Elon Musk or Oprah Winfrey didn't build their empires overnight. They cultivated a relentless work ethic, tirelessly dedicating hours, days, and years to their vision. They were disciplined enough to stay the course even when the odds were stacked against them. They remained dedicated, not allowing setbacks to deter them from their path. And they were consistent, continuously pushing forward, regardless of the obstacles they faced. This, my friends, is the power of a strong work ethic. It's the fuel that drives the engine of wealth creation. Remember, wealth is a result of consistent hard work and dedication. Moving on to secret number 2, invest in education and skills. The most successful people in the world have one thing in common, a lifelong dedication to learning. They understand that the greatest investment they can ever make is in their mind. You see, education isn't just about degrees and certificates. It's about expanding your horizons, gaining insights, and acquiring skills that can open doors to higher earning opportunities. It's about equipping yourself to navigate the fast-paced, ever-changing world we live in. Now let's talk about skills. In this digital age, skills such as coding, digital marketing, data analysis, and many others are highly sought after. By mastering these skills, you increase your value in the marketplace and boost your earning potential. Remember, your brain is your greatest asset. Invest in it. Learn relentlessly, grow continuously. Never stop learning, for knowledge is a powerful tool to build wealth. Secret number 3, start a side hustle. You may be wondering, what exactly is a side hustle? Well, it's any activity you engage in outside of your regular job to earn extra income. It's about taking your spare time and transforming it into spare cash. It's about leveraging your unique skills or passions to create value for others. Let's imagine you're a talented photographer. Why not offer your services for events in your local community? Or if you're a whiz at web design, consider freelancing for small businesses who need an online presence. Maybe you love baking. Why not start selling your homemade treats at the local farmers market? The options are as limitless as your imagination. Remember, the side hustle isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a solid foundation, brick by brick, towards your financial goals. It's about creating multiple streams of income. A side hustle can be your stepping stone to financial independence. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you are, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content just like this. Thank you for your support. Now let's delve into secret number 4, start a business. Entrepreneurship, my friends, is a path laden with incredible potential for wealth creation. It's not just about selling a product or a service. It's about creating value, solving problems, and making a difference. The beauty of starting a business lies in its limitless possibilities. It's like standing on the edge of a vast ocean, and all you have to do is jump in and start swimming. Sure, there are risks involved. There will be challenges, obstacles, and perhaps even failures. But remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. The rewards, they are immense. Not just monetary, but also the satisfaction of creating something of your own, of impacting lives, and of course the chance to amass great wealth. Entrepreneurship is not just a career choice, it's a lifestyle, a mindset, a journey. It's about taking control of your destiny. Starting a business can be a game changer in your journey to wealth. On to secret number 5, live below your means. Living below your means is a cornerstone of financial success. It's not about depriving yourself of the good things in life, but about making conscious decisions on where your money goes. When you spend less than you make, you create a safety net, allowing you to invest and grow wealth over time. Think of it this way. Imagine you're earning $100 but only spending $80. that's $20 saved. Now that might not seem like much, but consider this. Over a year, that's $240 saved. Over 5 years, that's $1,200. And that's not even considering the potential of investing those savings and earning compound interest. Living below your means is about creating a buffer for unexpected expenses, enabling you to take calculated risks and seize financial opportunities when they come your way. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you save and invest. Secret number 6, stay informed about trends. The world is in a constant state of flux, and to navigate it successfully, you must be aware of the currents that move it. Staying informed about trends is like having a compass in this ever-changing landscape. It's about understanding the shifts in technology, the economy, and society at large. This knowledge is power, and power translates into opportunities. Imagine spotting the rise of cryptocurrency in its early days, or the shift towards remote work before it became the norm. Armed with such insights, you could make strategic decisions that propel you ahead of the curve, reaping the rewards of foresight and preparation. Remember, trends are more than just passing fads. They're indicative of larger societal movements and can significantly impact industries and markets. By staying informed, you can make better investment decisions, identify lucrative opportunities, and avoid potential pitfalls. So open your mind, stay curious, and never stop learning. Stay informed, stay ahead. Now let's move to secret number 7, create a budget. Why is a budget so crucial? Picture this. You're on a road trip without a map. You're not sure where you're going or how to get there. That's what it's like to navigate your finances without a budget. A budget is more than just a ledger of income and expenses. It's a tool that allows you to understand your financial habits, pinpoint unnecessary spending, and redirect funds towards your financial goals. It's about gaining control over your money instead of letting your money control you. Say you've been eyeing a new business venture or perhaps a dream vacation. Your budget can help you set aside funds for these goals. It's all about planning and discipline. And remember, a budget isn't restrictive, it's freeing. It grants you the freedom to spend wisely, save effectively, and live financially secure. A budget is a roadmap to financial success. Moving on to secret number 8, avoid debt. Now, this may seem straightforward, but it's a pitfall that many stumble into. Debt is like a giant boulder chained to your ankle, pulling you down, making every step towards wealth creation that much harder. Excessive debt can suffocate your finances, leaving you gasping for financial freedom. It's a dangerous game where the stakes are your future wealth. It's not about completely avoiding debt, but rather managing it wisely. Remember, every dollar you borrow today is a dollar plus interest you're taking away from your future self. So avoid unnecessary debt. Live within your means. Don't let the allure of instant gratification lead you down a path of financial ruin. If you find yourself in debt, don't despair. Make a plan, stick to it, and slowly but surely, you will chip away at it. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight, but through consistent, smart decisions. Avoid debt, embrace financial freedom. Secret number 9, build a personal brand. This secret is about creating a unique and memorable identity in the marketplace. It's about showcasing your strengths, your values, your style, and your vision to the world. Why is it essential? Well, your personal brand is your reputation. It's what people say about you when you're not in the room. It's about setting yourself apart from others and leaving a lasting impression. It's about becoming a trusted authority in your field, which can open doors to better opportunities. So, how do you build a strong personal brand? Start by defining your strengths and values. What do you stand for? What are you passionate about? Next, be consistent. Consistency in your actions, your words, and your appearance helps you to be recognized and remembered. And finally, always strive for authenticity. Be true to who you are. Remember, your personal brand is more than just a logo or a tagline. It's the total experience that others have with you. Your personal brand is your ticket to success. On to secret number 10, be patient and persistent. Have you ever seen a tree grow? It doesn't sprout to its full height overnight. It takes time, weathering storms and seasons, standing tall and patient. That's how wealth grows too. It's a long-term journey that requires patience and persistence. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. The most successful people in the world didn't amass their wealth in a blink. It took years, sometimes decades of consistent effort to get to where they are now. It's about making small, steady strides towards your goals, not sprinting towards an imaginary finish line. Wealth creation is not a sprint, it's a marathon. There will be hurdles, there will be pitfalls, but with patience and persistence, you can overcome them. Don't be discouraged by slow progress. Remember the adage, slow and steady wins the race. So keep going, keep growing. Your efforts will bear fruit, but you have to be patient and persistent. Patience and persistence are the keys to wealth. And finally, secret number 11, give back. In the journey to amass wealth, it's easy to focus solely on our own needs and wants. But let's not forget the power of giving back. This isn't about mere charity, it's a secret ingredient to a fulfilling life, a sense of purpose, and even to wealth itself. Successful individuals, from billionaires to startup founders, understand the importance of sharing their success with others. They know that wealth isn't just about the size of your bank account. It's about the impact you make, the lives you touch, the legacy you leave behind. It's about using your resources to make a difference. Think of philanthropists like Bill Gates or Warren Buffett. Their wealth isn't just measured in dollars, but in the positive changes they've brought to countless lives. They've realized that the true value of wealth lies in its potential to improve the world around us. Giving back is the greatest wealth. Now it's your turn to implement these wealth secrets and start your journey to financial freedom. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more financial wisdom. Until next time, keep hustling.